Okay, everybody, we're going to take a break from cooking some food and we're going to start going to some restaurants and eating food that people cooked. So, if you could see where we're at here, we are in the Pittsburgh airport. So, we're getting on a plane to bring you some great content. You want to know where we're headed? Las Vegas, baby. Leaving at 4:30. All right, we're having dinner at Mott 32. Little Xiaolong Bao. We're gonna order it up. We're gonna show you the food. We're gonna taste it and let you know how it is. Let's take a look at this place. It's where you get the Peking duck. He's back there getting it all ready in the oven. It is amazing in here. We have another dining room in the back. It's a nice setup for a private party. And we're gonna eat with sticks today. All right, honey, tell us what we ordered. We got the Iberico pork Xiaolong Bao soup dumplings.
Yep, and that too.
Sweet and sour pork dumplings.
I know I got fried rice with vegetables.
And
smoked cod.
the signature smoked cod that's going to be in a great presentation, as you will see. Oh,
Side of vinegar ginger sauce.
okay.
And then we have the traditional here. Traditional pork soup dumpling.
Looks amazing.
The sauces are exactly the same. We just give you two so you can have a personal one by yourself.
Sweet and sour pork. Put it on the spoon. Oh, oh yeah. Gonna do it a little swirly. There we go.
Is it hot?
Hot. Good. Different. Spicy. So good. Alright. This is the sweet and sour dumpling. And the lovely wife Heather is going to try to eat it.
Oh, wait, I want to put some stuff on it.
She's going to do a little sauce. A little saucy sauce. Alright, here we go. Oh yeah, she's happy.
That's really good.
Really good.
Ooh, it's spicy.
Very
Ooh, it's
spicy.
got a kick.
Now this one is the Iberico pork. It is not spicy, so we're gonna try that next. This guy right here. Put it on the spoon. We'll get the soup out. Oh. Sauce. Back to the spoon.
Is that one hot too?
You get this burst of soup. It's so good. Oh yeah. I like that one better.
Okay.
Here we go.
Okay.
Iberico pork Xiaolong Bao at Mott 32. Alright. Just gonna put a little sauce on there. This is like a soy sauce with vinegar. Okay. Here we go.
All right.
Wait for the reaction. Huh?
That's really good. That one's way better. got a hint of ginger in it too.
A little ginger.
Yep. It's very
They left the Marianne out, but there's a little ginger in it. It's not a bad joke. It's just a dad joke. Cheers. Xiaolong Bao, cheers. Well, this must be funny food, because she's laughing.
Can you wait a second?
No, he's go. Good. You're good. You're good. Bring it in. Bring it in. All right. Signature smoked cod, ladies and gentlemen. Look at that.
It's beautiful. Thank you.
Those are not chicken wings.
Do you need another cold?
Yes, please.
And some delicious fried rice. Thank you. Seafood. A little nervous. Kind of like a crispy texture. It's a little crispy outside. It's almost like a barbecue fish. It's really good. What do you think?
It has a stronger fish taste than I was anticipating.
But
Definitely smoky. It's good. It's good.
rice. All right, sauces. It's like a sriracha, chili, something or other, and soy sauce. How's the rice?
It's very good.
Okay, they took away our sticks and our bowls, and we needed more soup dumplings. So we ordered them, and then they brought us some fresh ones. If you never ate with sticks before, I recommend you try it. Taking a private tour to the Boom Boom Room.
Or white wine is up here. This guy right here.
Oh yeah, it's the Boom Boom Room.
It's kind of like, it reminds me of the Hanover. Red light district. Yes.
It's awesome.
This is definitely what.
All right, this is the post-dinner review. We got out of the restaurant. It's very loud in there. They play some really cool music, right?
They
Pretty
do.
loud.
They do.
But the food, right? It gets the dance. It definitely got the dance.
It was very, very good.
Everything
Service
we
was
had.
excellent.
Smoked cod was amazing. The fried rice was great. All the sauces, the
Sausages.
dumplings. I mean, you got to come to this place.
It's very, very good.